All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to fine-tune your keyboard increments when you're nudging shapes around or text or whatever it is. So you can see I have my rulers set up here, and I've got 600 and 601, 602, 603. Those are pixels. So I got it set on pixels. You can right-click on your rulers and change that. If your rulers aren't showing, you can just go to View, Rulers, and it'll change between hide and show rulers. Also, I'll show you where to change it in the preferences as well. So let's jump into the preferences. So we're going to go to, well, first of all, I'm going to click on my right arrow, and it's going to go 1 pixel. See, and it's not snapping to that guide. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. See up here at the top, we've got 605. So I go back. I'm going to push it left, 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 left. So I went all the way. It's set at 1 pixel. Now, if I hold Shift and jump this over just by pushing the right arrow, Shift right arrow, it's going to go 10. So see, it went all the way to 610. I'm going to push Shift and the left arrow. So it multiplies it by 10. Kind of cool. And then if you go to Settings and General, the very first thing in the entire set is this keyboard increments thing. So I'm going to set it to 5 quickly. I'm going to hit OK. And now you're going to see it's going to jump from 600 to 605 if I just push the right arrow, right? And if I zoom out, probably quite a bit, I'm going to show you, let's jump it to, I did 5, remember. So now I'm going to push Shift and the right arrow, and it's going to go all the way to 50. See that? Because it multiplies it by 10. And it also works with, you guessed it, fine tuning. So that's even a bigger one. Is we're going to go to Settings, General, and then let's just go all the way down to 0.5. So remember, this is up here, it's 600 to 601, so I can just now push, click on it, push the right arrow, and it went half. Push it back. Now if I push Shift and hold it, it's only going to go, it's going to multiply 0.5 times 10, so it's going to go over here to 605. See that? Yeah. And you can go down, I probably go even smaller. I've done quarter pixel, 0.25, and works fine. Boom, boom. If you hold Shift, it goes to 2.5. So there you go. That's increments. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.